Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Instagram and Airtable. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new media is uploaded in Instagram, it will automatically create a record in Airtable. Now Instagram is an awesome social networking site and Airtable is a cloud collaboration service. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Instagram to Airtable. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between Instagram and Airtable. So in cases like these, we have to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Instagram and Airtable. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Here just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Instagram to Airtable. Instagram to Airtable. And then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Instagram? Okay, Instagram. So as you can see, we have two types of Instagram here. This is the simple Instagram and this is the Instagram for business. Now both of them are practically same, especially when concerning the triggers. Both of them have the same trigger. Now if you have Instagram for business, you can choose this one. But I'm going with this one, the Instagram for simple means. So I'm selecting this. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new media posted in my account? Okay, so new media posted in my account is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new media is posted in my Instagram account, then what action should be taken by the system? At present, there is only one trigger event, that is new media posted in my account. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new media is posted in my Instagram account. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is, we are just trying to integrate Instagram to Pabbly Connect. So let's click on connect with Instagram. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Instagram. Okay, so Instagram is demanding access. Just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. Okay, so usually what happens is, after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, we basically just copy the webhook URL into the trigger software. But in this case, all we have to do is just click on save and send test request. So when we click on save and send test request, it will fetch the data of the recently created Instagram post. So this is my Instagram account and this is the recently created Instagram post. Okay, this is a Sony camera review, that's the caption. Okay, so when I click on save and send test request, it will show the data of this particular post because this is the one that has been recently uploaded. So let me do that. Let me click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, the API response is showing all sorts of data. For example, in the username, it is showing it as Honest Review 102. This is because this is the title of my profile, that is Honest Review 102. Okay, and then we have the timestamp, the time at which this post was created, and then we have the permalink. So basically what I'm going to do here is, I'm just copying this permalink, okay, and opening this in a new tab. Okay, So as you can see, it's the same link of this particular post. Okay, so Pabbly Connect has captured this. And of course, we have the caption that is Sony camera review. Okay, Pabbly Connect also has captured this data. So what we have to do here is we have to create a record in Airtable. So all you have to do at this point is just scroll down and click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as Airtable? Okay. Now in the action event, how about we make it as create a record? Okay, so create a record is an action event. There are many more action events like update record, get record, search record, and so on. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a record in Airtable. Okay, so just click on connect with Airtable. Okay, so now in the new credentials, we have to fill in the token. So to get the token, let's have a visit to Airtable. So this is my Airtable account. I'm going to click on profile. Here you will find the option called as account. Click this. Okay, so this is your token. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the token. So just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to create a record in Airtable from the data that we have received from Instagram via Pabbly Connect. So in the base ID, we have the project tracker. So what is that? So let me expand this. So as you can see, these are all the bases I have in my Airtable account. Let me show you. So let me go back to Airtable. Okay, so this is my account page. Okay. And as you can see, these are all the base I have. Okay, my project catalog, product launch, digital video production. So basically all these bases that I have in my Airtable account is simply being reflected here. This is because Airtable is now thoroughly integrated with Pabbly Connect. So to explain you better, I'm going to add a new base. Okay. Okay, so the name is Instagram. Okay, so this is the name. Okay, so a new base has been created titled Instagram. So let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me refresh this. Okay. Okay, so the base ID has been refreshed. So let's see whether Instagram is present in my base ID. Yes, we do have a base ID called as Instagram. This is because any variation that is bought in Airtable will be reflected in Pabbly Connect, because we have integrated Airtable to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so actually I have made a particular base for this Instagram project. So the title is testing. Okay, as you can see, so this is the table I have that is called as test. So the base is called as testing and the table is called as test. And we have the columns as username, post link, and date. So I'm going to Pabbly Connect and I'm changing the base back to testing. Okay. And in the table name, we have two tables, that is table 1 and test. So this is because this is the base called as testing and we have two tables, that is table 1 and test. So I'm going to select test. Okay. Okay, so let's start mapping. So we have three blanks to fill: username, post link, and date. Okay, so these are the three blanks I have: username, post link, and date. Okay, so let's start mapping. So let me introduce you to this button. This is called as the mapping button. So when we click this, we can expect to find all the data that we have received from Instagram. Now, before we map, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so let's start mapping. So in the username, we are just going to either map in the username, that is the profile title, that is Honest Review 102. This is the profile title, Honest Review 102. Or I feel that we should map in the title of the caption. I mean this one, Sony camera review. Okay, so we have mapped the title as the username as Sony camera review. Okay, now coming to the post link. So we are going with the perma link. Okay, so this is the post link. Okay, and then we have the date. So the date is this one. I'm going to map the timestamp. Okay, so we have entered all the data sufficient enough to create a record. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to Airtable. So let's have a look. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a record concerning Sony camera review, and this is the post link. So let's explore that. Yes, we do have the correct link. Excellent. So, and this is the date. Okay, so the presence of this record in Airtable shows that we have successfully integrated Instagram and Airtable with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me go to Pabbly Connect. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to minimize my action window and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. Okay, so here I'm going to explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So first of all, you have integrated Instagram to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Airtable. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Instagram and Airtable. So I'm going back to Instagram and I'm going to upload one more image. Okay, so as you can see, a new media has been uploaded, and the caption is Apple Macintosh review. So let's have a look in Airtable. Do we have the data concerning the same? So yeah, we do have the title. So Apple Macintosh review, and this is the post link. So let's explore this. Okay, yes, we have the correct link, and then this is the date. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new media is uploaded in Instagram, it will be reflected as a record in Airtable.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.